What's up guys? In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get Spotify onto your PS5. Now the first thing you need to do is obviously make sure your PS5 is connected to the internet, and then from the main screen, the main home screen, simply flick up on games and then flick right and select media. Now this takes you from the games section to the media section of your PS5. Now from here, all you need to do is flick right, go to all apps, and then scroll down and look for Spotify. It's usually among the most popular applications and you should find it there. Now if for some reason you can't see it there, then you can go to the search function in the top right corner and search for Spotify, and you should be able to find it there even before you finish typing. So select Spotify. That's gonna take you to the Spotify page. So all you have to do now is select download and allow Spotify to be downloaded. When it's done, it will let you know and you can launch it from here, or you can go back now to the media section and you should find Spotify among the apps installed on your PS5. So you can launch it from here. You can sign up if you don't have an account, or you can log in if you already have an existing account. Now, of course, there are two main ways you can log into Spotify. You can use a code from your phone, or you can simply log in with your username and password. It's just down to personal preference. And log into your account. Either way, as long as you log into your account, you should be fine. And then from here, you'll be told that to use Spotify on your PlayStation. Please link Spotify account to your PlayStation network. So make sure you select agree. And that's it. You have now set up Spotify inside your PS5. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below. And good luck.